Looks fine. Looks pretty good. Oh, the lights as well. Tires, light, load, safety, and then you'll be ready to go on your way. Oh wow, today is Friday, and look at this, it's freaking -1, which means that it's really cold. So I was aiming to get to my location really early in the morning until I find out they don't open like early as some places do. All right, time to go. Let's go. And this is the reason why I didn't turn up too early, because I knew it was going to be close. This is the reason why I didn't came in much earlier, because otherwise I would have get up before. I would have been here by 6 and I would have dropped it off. But I knew it wasn't going to be anyone in here.
Welcome to Gift Gas voicemail.
And nobody ever answers the phone. Okay, time to go and explore now. Alright, it's a number here. Just trying to see if it matches the one that I already rang. Let me sort this out, so I'll be back in a sec. No, that he's gonna pick it up. But hello.
Yeah, it's all right, mate.
All right, okay. So it's just put on, and then I just lift it up. All right, guys, we getting access, and he's freezing. Let's go and drop this off. Anywhere. Yeah. All right. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop it off right at the end, so it's out of the way for use.
Yeah, that's all right, fine. Anywhere you want.
All right. Okay. No problem. All right. Let's see. Anderson leads some, but this is what you gotta do when it's such a heavy machine. It's these knuckles that you gotta put down, and they're really important because you don't want to break the suspension, and not just break it, it just helps us a lot. Good. Okay, higher, good. Believe it or not, doing this, getting it off, is not as hard as it looks, but because you're on the top of the trailer, if you do anything wrong, like slightly off, it can be mad at that, and you could get stuck, and it could be really hard to get out of in a situation. Because I've been in a situation before, it wasn't the most pleasant. We all make mistakes. And then one of the lads came out and helped me, and then I was out of that situation quite fast, to be honest, so that wasn't too much of a problem. But always think twice before you do anything, and never trying to fix the machines on top of the neck, because that is where everything can go wrong. Okay, that's good. As you can see, you got a lot of controls and stuff there. So I just push myself a little bit to one side now in a minute. All right. Gotta raise this up. All right, that's out of the way for anybody that comes in. I just take pictures now and send them on the group. Yeah. All right, just before we leave, why is that like that? Trying to get that off, I can't. Anyway, double check everything from one side, nothing left out, and everything's looking good. Wow, and hanging out. Last bit, last but not least, this one's but before I get out of here, just check where I'm going now before I get out on the road. All right, this is like Derby area, well, Nottingham on the other side, and that will take me straight. I might go through the pick district later on, as you can see there, and then I'll be able just to get back. But that is basically making me way back. Yes, time to go. I'm just looking at the place and I know exactly where this is, and then I got 2 hours and 48 minutes to get there, and that will be enough, and I know exactly where I'm going. So that's a quick one, load and gone. So, and then back to there and then load and go. Yeah, let's go. Cheers, Mom. Ah, that's very shiny now. Oof. My pipes were frozen earlier, so I couldn't get it done. I think I know this guy. I think I know him. So anyway, guys, do you know what the truck looks like? If you see the truck and the road, just give it a bip. And if I post anything on social media, just share it. More than welcome to share it. Yeah, that's what it is. I will see you in a bit. All right, I'm gonna get to Nottingham now. Get this, I think it's Grantham actually, not Nottingham, which is like close, same thing, but it's not the same thing. Don't want to offend anybody over there. Right, we have arrived to the place that I needed to be. This is actually going to be a quick collection as well. Yeah. Alright, machine is on the back of this, so all I'm gonna do now is just gonna go and take a little good break. Well deserved. And here we are. Well deserved, good old break that I'm having now. I finished my break, so it's gonna take me 2.5 hours to get there, which says that I will be there just before 3, but in case of traffic and all that, I will be there about 3:15. So 3 o'clock, bang on. I don't know if you can see that, hopefully you can. Yeah, okay, like, subscribe, comment and all them things. Cheers guys, let's go. This is typical on a Friday. I don't have an idea what actually is going on, but I managed to get to this junction to get in on the motorway, and then I'll be able to get going on my way. But people are just passing over, even though there's a massive queue behind us, to just nip in between. Why people do that? Why don't you just wait your time? There's a lot of people behind me waiting, as well as I was waiting. Why jump in it? I just stopped here. I see like the other lads are some of the guys are here already. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and help them out a bit, because they might need help. They probably don't need it, but it's good when we all work together. What do they say? The teamwork makes the dream work, or something weird like that. I don't know. I'm gonna go and help now. Alright, the guys bring on the local stuff, and that's all they got over there. It's another one at the back there, and plus me. So help this one, get the next one going in, and then we go going. We got Paul here, it's loading up now. Machine coming up. Alright, we just helped there to load that, and then I just need to go and offload this. Just reverse it into UPA. I had to pull back to put my ramps down now, because it's another guy that wanted to come in here. So I gotta just mount this on top of this right at the neck. So okay, just pull this in. I ain't got much space to move around, but gonna have to deal with this one. And the only reason why I closed it, because otherwise I wouldn't be able to fit in here. And I still can't go on it. Let's see, go on. Go on. Go on, go on. And then back again. Go on, back. Straight up, and then I'll be able to get on. Let's go. All right, up the ramps. Right, that's fixed. So just get it right at the top there. All right, a bit more, a bit more. That's it, not even touching it. Strap down, put the ramps down, and then I need to get an R20, and I'm not gonna get an R20 in there. We are pulling forward, but I need that tanker to come in and do what he gotta do, and then I can pull forward and get it on. Otherwise I won't be able to do it. All right, bit more. That should do there. just a tiny bit. Don't want to damage anything. All right, all good. All right, I've done it this way. Put the basket at the back. Put the, which one is this one? I think it's an 18. Yeah, the 1812. Put them in that, and then I just put the arm across there on the top, and then I put the other one on top there. So I'm gonna get my measuring stick in a minute out, and then I'm gonna measure that. But before that, I'm gonna strap all this up, and then I will get back to you. First one in, last one out. And as normal, last checks, making sure everything is dropped down and the tread is ready to go as well. Okay, yeah, I'm happy with that. Go on, mate. Not a problem. Leave it. All right, I finished everything. To be honest, I'm ready to go. The yard is packed. I got my card out, just gonna go and hand the stuff over, get going. But anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching, subscribe, like, and all that kind of stuff. You know what to do. Cheers. I will see you in the next video trucking.